So here's an update on the tabletop. I was hung up on being able to make a straight cut on these boards because even though I've used the circular saw quite a few times, it still doesn't do the greatest job with straight cuts. And then it dawned on me and use that as my straight edge. So screw the boards together first and then cut the straight line. So that's what I'm working on now. Okay, I have an update. So this looks great, and it's straight, and it's good to go. However, these don't quite line up with this. So what I'm going to do is screw these boards down first to this. That's how I'll attach it. And then I'll put these boards back down like this, and then flip the table and use these boards to attach the top. What I'm doing here is taking and measuring the middle of each board, so the board that I'm going to screw down and then the board that I'm screwing it to, so I can have it centered. And then I'll take the edge of that other board, and that's what I'll use to screw the top on. You're also going to notice that I have done a few of the steps off camera. It's because it's my first time and I'm not comfortable yet, but you're going to see more of that on camera very soon. Okay guys, should I let this dry and then drag a dry brush of like a cream color across, or maybe the teal, or all of the above? Or should I leave it as is? Does it look like wood green as is? Let me know what you think. I'm going to stir it up a little bit, and I'm going to try to get as much of the paint off the brush as possible, like this. And then I'm just going to take this, get as much paint off like that, and then come in and do this. Should have used a big brush to begin with. Always come in layers. Use the same brush with the other colors. Okay, so you can see that one's very textured, but this one is less textured now. Quite a bit less, and actually I really like the way that looks already.